Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video, I did mention that the market should go up because there will be a chances that the market is most likely to trade in a stable to bullish kind of formation. The reason there is a bullish crossover here, you can see the market was going down. The price action did suggested that this particular level near 10,400 did see a good support from the market participants because from this particular level a green candle emerged. It pushed back up and broken all the exponential averages, and today you can see that with the gap up move market did saw a good gap up move and the closing was also sustained at a high level. Now in today's video we are going to analyze what are the further move on an upside or downside. We are going to see what are the triggers we should watch out for, what are the crucial strike prices, and all those things we are going to analyze. So we start our analysis with the option activity range. Those of you who don't know about the option activity range, we use option chart data to get a feel, get a sort of range of the market so that we can decide the strategies considering this particular trade. So if you see the option activity range for the Nifty is 10,500 to 10,800. Now if you see the call data, there is a clear cut indication that 10,600 is going to act as a good sort of support for the market. The reason being 10,600 seen a maximum change in open interest as far as the call short covering is concerned, and not only that, the 10,600 put has also seen maximum change in open interest in terms of put writing. Apart from that, 10,650, which is slightly higher strike prices than 10,600, has seen a major change in open interest. Close to 10 lakh 23,600 shares was returned, so expecting a stable to bullish move. So all in all, call data, what I can see is call shorts are getting covered now. 10,750 is now the target which the market participants are expecting, because we have seen a creation of fresh bullish position in this particular strike prices. On the other side, put are continuously return, as I suggested. 10,650 should act as a good sort of support for the market. Now let us understand the price action for the market. What you are going to see is after this down move, market did receive a support, and from this particular level market is pack to pack going on the upside. Also in my previous videos I have mentioned that if this particular level holds and if you see a bullish crossover, 10,800 is most likely is the level which market is going to see. Now I will continue with my theory, and I feel that the market should go up and 10,800 should be there. But there is a one thing that you need to watch out for. If you see, the RSI is just touching its exponential averages. So what we need is to go decisively, and to understand that this particular move should sustain, you need to see RSI clear cut breaking above its exponential average. CCI should also do the same, and since the MACD is now in negative zone, if this up move comes, then it will definitely be in a positive zone. So if this particular things happen, you can definitely expect a stable to bullish market, and a put writing is the most safest way you can do. If you want to learn which particular position to create or which option strategy should be created in when, and how to understand the risk and reward scenario, you can definitely check out my playlist. I have made a detailed video explaining how to take a particular position considering what moves, and the technical triggers are also mentioned. But one thing is very sure that I also need to mention is that all those things, all the system that I have been using to trade the market is of my own. If you are doing trading considering the my strategies or my system, the profit and loss whatever you incur will be solely yours, and it will be not my responsibility. So clearly I am expecting a stable to bullish kind of move for the market. 10,650 should act as a good sort of support, and 10,800 is the level which you should see it. It may be there that market can face some sort of resistance there, but it will be a stable to bullish move, and 10,800 should come as per my knowledge. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting for the market. So as I have mentioned, the Bank Nifty was outperforming the market because it is generating more bullish or more aggressive bullish position than the Nifty. So now let us first will see the option activity range for the Bank Nifty. Now if you see the option activity range for the Bank Nifty, it will be 26,000 to 27,000. Further on a call side, you can see that definitely 26,600 to 27,000 has generated a fresh bullish position, a fresh buying has emerged. On a lower side, 26,000 to 26,500 has seen a call short covering. So again a stable to bullish move is there. 26,500 should act as a good sort of support, because from that particular level now the call short is are call shorts are also getting covered. As far as the put data is concerned, a put writing has been seen in the all the strike prices right from 26,000 to 27,000. The more distinguished strike prices are 26 300, 26 400, 26 500, because they have seen the maximum change in open interest, and change in open interest in terms of percentage wise is also quite aggressive. If we consider the change in open interest in terms of percentage, 27,000, 26,700 has also seen a very aggressive change in open interest close to 1,008 percentage. So that was my analysis for option activity range. It is suggesting a stable to bullish move should come. Now if you see the price action wise, as you can see, the market has already broken and it is only trading on high side. The next target for the bank nifty would be naturally 26,969 or 26,950, whatever you say. Basically this particular candle size should be the target. If this particular level gets broken, we can definitely expect a much higher targets. But as of now, what I feel is nifty is definitely going to see bank nifty is definitely going to see a good move, because as you can see, it has already broken above its exponential averages. MACD, RSI and CCI has already broken, and now the CCI is also has also came into the positive zone. Now the resistance will be there around 1,165 kind of level, but I think that particular resistance should also be marked by the bank nifty. So all in all, I feel there will be a good support near 25,600, and high is definitely 26,900 is the level which we are expecting. So stable to bullish move is what I am expecting for the market as of now. But do watch out for the nifty. The technical indicators are right near its exponential averages. We need to get a break from that to continue to expect the market to go on a high side. So that was my analysis for the nifty and bank nifty. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family on WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook. In case you have any doubt, you can always mention it in a comment section of the video. If you want to learn the system that I have been using to generate buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out the video description. You will find a detailed playlist there. That's it for the today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.